Friday, YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link right now, add it to your cart, and check out. There we go, guys. Hopefully, here it is. What is this? Alright. This is coming from... Sure. Whoops. Here we go. ROHS. Whoa. Look at this. Well, winter is coming, but not yet. Winter is coming soon. Stay ahead of it. Get your beanie hat. And I'll leave the link down below. You can get one of these at a low cost. Check this out. Got some gloves. Ooh. Feels nice and soft. I got USB. Got some kind of thing right here that kind of sticks out. And we got one right here. Oh. Music hat. Play. Pause. Okay. Let me grab my iPhone. Alright. iPhone time. Gotta go into the settings. Hopefully it's easy to hook up. Check out these Bluetooths. Here we go. It's doing its thing. Where's it gonna pop up? What is it gonna be? BT01, yeah, Bluetooth 01. Alright. Let me try uncopyrighted music. YouTube. Let's see how this works. Whoa. Oops. Huh. No way. I mean, it's pretty warm. Sounds like coming out from here. So if you're waiting on the bus, well, check this out. I haven't shaved. And see, it's not that noticeable, but it's super comfy, guys. Sound quality is good. Here are the gloves. I think they're good. Oop. These are good for cell phones. Alright. This is crazy. Nice and warm too. Oh yeah. These are perfect. Nice and warm. But this is crazy. You can hear it. There's the gloves. Well, yeah, this beanie is really nice and warm, guys. And it's crazy. You can hear the music going. You're out there doing your shovel work. Heck yeah. Maybe your early morning run. Slap this thing on so you don't have to have no cords or anything. You'll be rocking down the street. And definitely for your night joggers or early morning jogging. I like this. Right here, it feels nice. But nicely knitted. Takes major skills to be doing this kind of style. Look at different layers. Stitching. Got this one. Got this style. You got one style there and another style there. So great colors. Matches everything. I'm ready for winter. Get that little thing out there. Alright. One more time, flip back. Oh, that's crazy how... I mean, you can hear it once you get it. I mean, it's not too loud, but it's good enough for, you know, a couple hours outside jamming, doing what you need to get done. This is perfect. Here's the inside more. Look at that. Super warm, guys. I'm telling you, guys gonna definitely like this. Might want to grab a couple for yourself. Stocking stuffers, birthday gifts. These are selling out. So music hat right now. Get them. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.